Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to put featured photos on Facebook. What you need to do, first just go to Facebook and then click on your profile and then click edit profile. And then just scroll down. You will see here featured. Just click here add, and then just you choose any photo and then click save. This is what you need to do if you want to put featured photos on Facebook. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you and see you.